This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
Hey, what's up? This is MModified with another 60-second product review. This is the AOSK mud guards. Just installed. You can check out the video later. It uses all existing clips. As you can see, there's one screw here, existing clip here. So there's two in the front. And in the back, it uses 3 clips. 1, 2, and 3. On the very bottom, there's a hex bolt. Under right there. It's empty right now because I haven't put it in, but all existing clips. So once installed, it looks like that. Shout out to one of the members for letting me use this ride. Difference between this and the OEM version is just material. But I don't know if you have a lot of dirt and grime, this is the way to go. Super easy to install. Anyone can do it, I promise. Happy holidays.